Hello everyone. Hi. So today is the second class for solving previous year JNU CEEB question papers. Hi Malaya. Hi Malaya. So hi Pooja. So who else are with me today? So today we are going to solve previous year JNU CEEB question papers. These questions are very much important for this year, that is GAT-B 2020. So who else wanna join? So I think I should start. Please join, guys. Malaya and Pooja are with us. So let's start with the first question today. So this is our first question. Find the value of 2 plus 2 in binary notation. Okay, in binary we have to calculate the value of 2 plus 2. So tell me, guys, what is the value of 2 plus 2 in binary notation? Tell me. Tell me, guys, what is the value of 2 plus 2 in binary notation? Guys, can you, am I audible? Can you hear me? Please tell me if you can hear me. Please tell me what would be the answer for this question. Which is the correct option? Option A is 1, 0. It is not 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. It is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So which one is the correct option for this question? This is actually very easy. A very basic question from Boolean algebra. So tell me which is the correct option for this question. It is a very, very basic and easy question. So tell me which one is the correct option for this question. Okay, hi Gitanjali, Shagoto, Pooja. Okay, yes, B. Okay, your answer is B. So let's see. Okay, so let's see. Let's solve this problem. So 2 plus 2 means 4, right? 4. Now remember one thing, that is, if we consider the positions, then these positions are these positions are 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 and so on, right? So it is 4, right? It is 4. That means 2 squared, that is 2 to the power 2, that is 1. Now nothing else, that is 0, 0, 0 and all zeros are here. That is 1, 0, 0 in binary notation, right? It is 1, 0, 0 in binary notation. That is option B is our correct answer. As you were right, option B is our correct answer. So let's go to the next problem, right guys? So this is our next problem. So tell me if you can solve this problem. So here the question is, which of the following is necessary and sufficient for obtaining a single real solution of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0? Options are option A, b square greater than 4ac, option B, b square less than 4ac, option C, b square equal 4ac, and option D, b square equal 0. So tell me which will be the correct option. Which is the correct option for this question? This is again a very easy question, as this was the basic knowledge we got in our school life, in I don't remember, in 9 or 10 or 9 or 10 approximately actually. So tell me which is the correct option for this question. So Malaya's answer is option C. Okay. So let's see what others' answers are. Tell me which is the correct option. So Shaguto's answer is C. Gitanjali's answer is A. Okay. So let's see. So if the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, then applying Sridhar's rule, we have x equal minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a, right? So first of all, see here that b square greater 4ac or b square less 4ac, these two options will not give us any real solution, right? Any solution. From these two options, we cannot solve this equation. That is, we cannot get the value of x, okay? Solution of x. So if we put b square equal 4ac, what we get? B square equal 4ac. Here we get 4ac minus 4ac root over 4ac minus 4ac minus b plus minus root over 4ac minus 4ac by twice a, that is minus b by twice a. That is, it is a negative number but real, right? It is real. Okay. If we put b square equals 0, let's see what happens. Okay, if we put b square equals 0 here, we get x equal minus b plus minus root over minus 4ac by twice a, right? Now this root over minus 4ac, okay, if a and c are positive, then this minus would give us minus b plus minus I root over 4ac, right? So it will not give us any real solution, right? Because I is imaginary. So it is not a real solution. And our correct option is option C, b square equal 4ac. b square equal 4ac is our correct solution, correct option. So any doubt, anyone? Please tell me. Any doubt? Should I go to the next question? Okay. This is our next question. Evaluate the definite integration from 0 to 1 x e to the power x dx. options are 0, 1, x e to the power x minus e to the power x and pi. So tell me which is the correct option for this question. Please tell me which is the correct option for this question. I hope you can solve this problem also, because this was really another basic problem in schools. So tell me which is the correct option for this question. Which is the correct option for this question? So with that, please tell me guys if you are enjoying this kind of live classes where I'm trying to solve previous year JNU CEEB papers, so that you guys are helped by it is helpful for you guys. So tell me, are you enjoying these classes? The previous class, today's class? Please give me your feedback and tell me if you can solve this problem. So should I proceed or should I wait for your answers? Okay, Pooja. Yes, ma'am. For what? For which question? Okay, I think I should proceed. So, integration x e to the power x dx. Okay, integration x e to the power dx. Okay, Shagata's answer is option B, 1. Okay, let's see. So, x e to the power x dx. So, we have to solve this integration by parts, right? By parts method. So, what was that? I hope you remember. I left, right? That is integer, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential, right? So we have to take this x out first and integrate ex. So x integration ex dx minus integration over d dx of this x e to the power x dx, integration of e to the power x dx, right? This was the method. So it will give us x integration of e to the power x dx means e to the power x minus d dx of x means 1 times e to the power x dx, right? Because it gives us e to the power x. So x e to the power x minus integration of e to the power x dx, right? So let us not integrate here because here the constant term will come. So x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c, right? So for definite integral we don't need it and we can put 0 to 1 here and we get 1 multiplied by e to the power 1 minus e to the power 1. This is for putting 1 in place of x, and 0 multiplied by e to the power 0 minus e to the power 0, right? And it gives us e to the power 1 means e minus e to the power 1 means e minus this is 0 and this is 1 minus minus plus 1. That means The answer is option B, 1. Okay, the answer is option B, 1. Yes, Shaguto, your answer is correct. So, is it clear, everyone? Please tell me. Is it clear to you? Our answer is option B, 1. So, do you have any doubt regarding this solution? Please tell me. If you have any doubt, I'll try to clear it out. Please tell me if you have any doubt. So, should I proceed to the next question? Okay. So, this is our next problem. If A vector and B vector are two vectors of equal magnitude such that the angle between them is 60 degree and A vector B vector equal 8, find the length mod of A vector. Okay, so tell me, what is the answer for this question? Is it 2 or 4 or 6 or 8? Tell me, what would be the correct option for this question? What would be the correct option for this question? Which one is the correct answer? Please tell me. So today we are solving JNU CEEB paper of 2017. This is the paper which came in 2017, in the year 2017. In the previous class we solved part of the paper 2018. Okay, another part we will discuss another part in the next coming classes. So a part of questions which came in 2017 we are discussing today. Okay. Okay, Malaya gave answer. So it is option B, 4. Okay, let's see what is the correct answer. Okay, Shagato's answer is option A, that is 2. Okay, what are others' answers? Please tell me. Tell me, what are others' answers? Is it 2 or 4 or 6 or 8? That is option A or B or C or D. Okay. So, given is the magnitude of vector A equal to magnitude of vector B. Okay, and angle between them is 60 degree. Okay. It is not. Angle between them is 60 degree. Okay. If it is A vector, this is B vector, angle between them is 60 degree. Okay. So we need to find the length mod A vector, that is the magnitude of A vector. Okay. And another information we have is A vector, B vector equal 8. Now there is no dot, no cross, right? We know that vector multiplication has to be either dot product or cross product, right? That is either scalar multiplication or vector multiplication, right? Two vector multiplication of two vectors should be either scalar or vector, that is either dot product or cross product. Now since here is no cross, that means, and it is a scalar quantity, that means it is scalar product, that is A vector dot B vector equal 8, right? It is given, and we know a vector dot b vector equal mod of a vector times mod of b vector times cos of theta. It is our formula, right? It is our formula for dot product of two vectors a and b. So if we put a vector dot b vector, that is 8, equal mod of a vector times, since these two are equal, so mod of a vector times cos of 60 degree, cos of 60 degree, right? Now mod of a vector square equal 8 divided by cos 60, right? And that is equal 8 by cos 60 means half, right? So it is equal 8 times 2, that is 16. So we have mod of a vector equal root over 16, that is 4. So our correct answer here is option B, 4. So is it clear, everyone? Please tell me. Yes, Malaya, it is dot product. So Shagato, your answer is not correct here. The correct answer is option B, 4. Okay, option B, 4. Clear, everyone? Is it clear? Please tell me. Have you any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Please tell me. If you have any doubt, please tell me. So, okay, Shaguto. Okay, so I'm going to the next question. So this question is again from vectors. So here the question is, for given two vectors a vector and b vector, which of the following statements is not true? Okay, option A is mod of a vector plus b vector equal root over mod of a vector square plus b vector square plus 2 mod of a vector times mod of b vector. B, option B is mod of a vector minus b vector equal root over mod of a vector square plus mod of b vector square minus 2 mod of a vector times mod of b vector. Option C, mod of a vector plus b vector equal root over mod of a vector square minus mod of b vector square plus 2 mod of a vector times mod of b vector. And D is a vector plus b vector dot a vector minus b vector equal mod of a vector square minus mod of b vector square. So tell me which is the correct option for this question. Okay, Malaya's answer is option C. Option C. Okay, let's see what others say. Tell me which one is the correct option for this question. Which one is the correct option for this question? So, we know, I hope all of you remember one thing, that is, if R vector is the resultant of two vectors, a vector plus b vector, then mod of R vector equal mod of a vector plus b vector equal root over mod of a vector square plus mod of b vector square plus 2 mod of a vector times mod of b vector cos of theta, right? And similarly, if we say subtraction of two vectors, then a vector minus b vector equal root over mod of a vector square plus mod of b vector square minus 2 mod of a vector mod of b vector cos theta. Okay, I hope all of you remember these two formulae. I have discussed these two formulae a lot of times in the previous videos on vectors. Okay, so okay, Pooja gave her answer. It is option C. Okay, let's see. So if we put theta equals 0 degree, that means cos theta is 1, right? And if cos theta is 1, then this equation becomes just this one. If we put cos theta equal 1, if cos theta equal 1, that means it is option A, right? That means it can happen, right? It is true. Now for cos theta equal 1, if we put cos theta equal 1 in this equation, we get this one, right, into 1. So it is again true, right? So let's talk about this one. Okay, so if we multiply this by this, okay, this by this, what we get? We get a vector plus b vector dot a vector minus b vector equal mod of a vector plus b vector multiplied by mod of, it is minus a vector minus b vector, right? Into cos theta. Again, if theta is 1, then it is not required. Then we have a vector plus b vector, a vector minus b vector, right? That means these two. Now what these two means? These two means a vector plus b vector, mod of a vector plus mod of b vector, right? That is a plus b, this is a plus b whole square. If cos theta is 1, if cos theta is 1, then only we have mod of a vector plus b vector equal mod of a vector plus mod of b vector, and this will be mod of a vector minus mod of b vector. Okay, so we have a vector plus b vector, mod of a vector plus b vector times mod of a vector minus mod of b vector, right? And it will be a plus b multiplied by a minus b, that is mod of a vector square minus mod of b vector square, that is this one. It is also true, but this will never happen. This is not true. This is not true. That means this is our correct answer. This is our correct answer. So our correct option is option C, mod of a vector plus b vector equal root over mod a vector square minus mod b vector square plus 2 mod a vector times mod b vector. That is Malaya and Pooja. Your answers are correct. It is option C. Okay, is it clear everyone? Please tell me. Is it clear everyone? Please tell me. Should I proceed? Okay, I think I should proceed to the next question. This is our next question, and it is very, very, very easy. It's a very easy question which came in JNU CEEB 2017 paper. So tell me if you can solve this. It is very easy. If cos theta equals sin theta, then value of theta is pi, pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4. Tell me what is the correct option for this question. It is very easy question. Please tell me which one is the correct answer for this question. Which one is the correct answer for this question? Okay, Malaya's answer is option D. That is pi by 4. So I think I should solve it right now because this is very easy. Cos theta equals sin theta. That means tan theta equal 1. That means theta equal 45 degree equal pi by 4. And again we know that if we say cos theta equals sin theta, only if theta is pi by 4, that is 45 degree, the value of cos theta and sin theta are equal, that is 1 by root 2, right? So this is option D, pi by 4. Yes, Pooja, Shagoto, your answers are correct. Option D. So let's go to the next problem. So this is our next question. The number of electrons that has to be removed from electrically neutral platinum plate to give it a charge of plus 2.4 coulomb is option A 1.5 into 10 to the power 19, option B 2.0 into 10 to the power 19, option C 1.5 into 10 to the power 6, option D 2.0 into 10 to the power 6. And given is the charge of single electron 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, as we know. So tell me how to solve this problem and what is the correct answer. It is again a very easy question. So tell me what will be the correct answer for this question. Which one is the correct answer for this question? Which one is the correct answer for this question? So, if suppose this is the plate as given in the question, that is electrically neutral platinum plate. Okay. Now, if we want to give it a charge of plus 2.4 coulomb, okay, we have to take, suppose, a number of n electrons out of it. We have to remove n electrons out of it. Okay, and let us give it a charge of Q. That means this charge Q is nothing but equal to the value of n times E, right? If n electrons are removed from this plate, then the total charge of the total number of removed electrons is n times E. If n is the number and each electron has charge E, then n times E is the total charge. that is equal to Q. That means Q equal plus minus NE. This was the formula we studied in our school, right? So Q equal 2.4. This is the total charge, right? 2.4 equal N. We need to calculate the value of N times charge of single electron means 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, that means we have N equal 2.4 divided by 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19. That means here 8 times 2 means 16, 8 times 3 means 2.4, 24. So it will give us 3 by 2 means 1 by 5 times 10 to the power this minus 19. If it goes up, it will become 10 to the power 19 plus 19, and our answer is 1.5 into 10 to the power 19. That is option A. Option A, 1.5 into 10 to the power 19. This is our correct answer. Yes, our correct answer is option A. So Malaya and Shagoto, your answers are correct. It is option A, 1.5 into 10 to the power 19. So is it clear, everyone? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Please tell me. Do you have any doubt, anyone? Please tell me. Okay, so I'm going to the next problem. Okay, a ball attains a height of h if thrown upward with some initial speed. If the ball is thrown upward by the double of that initial speed, what new maximum height will the ball reach? Option A 2h, option B 4h, option C 6h, option D 8h. So tell me which is the correct answer for this question. Which is the correct option? Tell me which is the correct option for this question. This is again a very easy question. So tell me which is the correct answer for this question. So here, if it is the height h, a ball is thrown upward. Okay, I'm drawing very dirty. My drawing becoming very dirty actually. Okay, so this height is h, and at this height, if it is the maximum height, then here the final velocity, if it is v is the final velocity, then v becomes 0, right? And suppose our initial speed is u, okay, and we don't know the value of u, but we know that if we double the speed, then we need to calculate the maximum height. That is, if it is u1, then u2 is twice u1, and we need to find if it is h1 equal h, then we need to find h2, okay, h2 in terms of this h. Okay, so tell me which one is the correct answer. Okay, Malaya is saying it is B, Shagoto is saying B, and Pooja's answer is A. Okay, let's see. Okay. First of all, which equation should we use? We have three equations, right, as we discussed in the previous class. V equal U minus Ft, that means Gt. V square equal U square minus 2 Gs, and H, it should be H here, H equal Ut minus half Gt square. I hope you can understand why it is why I am taking this minus here, because it is going upward, right? The gravitational acceleration is, this is actually our earth. I tried to draw earth, but it is like, okay, so if it is earth, center of earth, then everything feels the acceleration towards the center of earth, right? The force towards the center of earth, that is downward. So G, positive G is downward, and negative G will be upward, that is against the gravitational pull. So upward we have to take minus G. Since the ball goes upward, so it is minus G. So it is minus, and see here we don't know the time. So these two equations cannot be used, right? These two equations cannot be used. So as V is 0, that means 0 square equal U square minus 2GH. Now this is the formula for our maximum height, right? H equal U square minus, it is not GH, it is 2G. U square by 2G. You should remember this, H equal U square by 2G. So if I use this formula, then we have H proportional to U square, right? Since 2G is constant, G is constant for a certain place, so 2G is constant, that means H is proportional to U square. Then H2 by H1 equal U2 square by U1 square, right? That means H2 we don't know, so H2 equal U2 square, right? That means 2U1 square by U1 square times H1, that means H. So it is 4 times U1 square by U1 square, and U1 square cancels out, and we get 4H. So our correct answer is option B, 4H. Option B, 4H. This is our correct answer. Okay, our correct answer is option B, 4H. Okay, option B, 4H. So do you have any doubt, anyone? Please tell me. Do you have any doubt? Please tell me. Okay, I am going to the next problem. This is our next problem from light or optics, as you say. So here the question is, which principle or law states that each point on a wavefront may be considered a new wave source? Option A, Snell's law. Option B, Fraunhofer's principle. Option C, Huygens principle. Option D, there is no such law. The statement above is incorrect. So please tell me which is our correct answer. Okay, Pooja? Okay, fine. Okay, which one is our correct option for this question? Tell me which one is the correct option for this question. Which one is our correct answer for this question? Is it Snell's law, Fraunhofer's principle, Huygens principle, or there is no such law? Which is our correct answer for this question? Okay, Malaya and Shagoto gave their answers. It is option C, Huygens principle. Okay, let's see. Okay, first of all, this Snell's law. In the Snell's law, we know that Snell's law deals with the laws of refraction. That is, for a specific media and a specific color of light, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence by sine of angle of refraction is constant. That is, sin I by sin R equal constant, right? This is Snell's law. This is Snell's law. Now, Fraunhofer's principle deals with diffraction, right? It deals with diffraction. Now, what is Huygens principle? Huygens principle states that every point on a wavefront, I should write it, every point on a wavefront is a source of wavelets. These wavelets spread in the forward direction at the same speed, same speed as the source wave. Okay, that means our correct answer is option C, as it tells us that each point on a wavefront can be considered as a new wave source. Okay, each point on a wavefront can be considered as a new wave source. So it is not correct, and these options are not correct. So our option C, Huygens principle, is the correct answer. Okay. So have you any doubt regarding this problem? I think I should make separate videos on these principles so that you have you can recapitulate about these things. So here the correct option is option C, Huygens principle. So this is our next problem. The internal energy of an ideal gas depends upon which of the following? Temperature only, temperature and pressure, volume only, volume and temperature. Please tell me which is the correct option for this problem, for this question. Which is the correct option for this question? Is it only temperature? Is it only volume? Or temperature and pressure? Or temperature and volume? Please tell me which will be the correct answer for this question. Which is the correct answer for this question? Okay, Pooja. Yes, I'll make separate videos on those principles because I know you have forgot the basic principles if you are not in touch with them. So tell me which is the correct option for this question. Which is the correct option for this question? Is it only temperature or temperature and pressure or only volume or volume and temperature? Please tell me. Okay, Pooja's answer is option B, temperature and pressure. Okay, let's see what others say. Please tell me which one is the correct option for this problem. Which is the correct option for this problem? Okay, Shagata's answer is option A, temperature only. Okay, let's see what others say. For an ideal gas, okay, for ideal gas, if we heat it, suppose this is a gas chamber, a container where gas molecules are there. Suppose these are gas molecules, okay. So if we heat it up, then if we give heat, then the heat that is the energy we are giving it, okay, that energy is responsible for the internal energy for these molecules, rise of internal energy for these molecules, atoms or molecules, as you say. Okay, so these gas particles will have internal energy from this heat energy. So the heat will rise its temperature as well as its internal energy. So this internal energy depends upon the temperature only. It doesn't depend on pressure or volume. It doesn't depend on pressure or volume. It depends on temperature only. Temperature is the only measurement for internal energy. Okay, depends on temperature only. So our option A is the correct answer for this question. Option A, temperature only, is the correct answer for this question. So let's go to the next problem. This is our next problem today. So here the question is, a certain volume of a gas at pressure P0 was compressed to 1/8 times its volume. The pressure exerted by the compressed gas will be given by which of the following? Option A 2P0, option B 4P0, option C 8P0, option C 8P0, option D 16P0. So tell me which is our correct answer for this question. Which is our correct answer for this question? Is it 2P0, 4P0, 8P0 or 16P0? So as you asked me, as you requested me to solve problems from previous year question papers of JNU CEEB, I arranged some live classes for you, and I'll arrange more classes, live classes, and upload more videos on this type of problem solving, okay, and discuss more problems on previous year JNU CEEB papers. I hope it will be very much helpful for you. So if you like this kind of videos, this kind of classes, please be with me. And if you were a new viewer, please subscribe this channel so that you get more videos, more classes like this, and be updated whenever I upload a new video. So tell me which is the correct answer here, which is the correct option for this question. So guys, if you like this class, if you enjoyed this class, please don't forget to click on the like button, and to help your friends who also need this kind of videos, this kind of solutions. Share this video with them and inform them about this channel, about these live classes. And again, if you are a new viewer, then please subscribe this channel, and please share these videos, link of these videos and live classes as much as you can, so that more of your friends can be helpful for them. Okay, Pooja, your answer is option C 8P0. Okay, your answer is option C 8P0. Let's see what others say. Or should I proceed? I think I should proceed, right? So here the initial pressure, say P1, is given as P0, right? And at pressure P0, a certain volume of gas at pressure P0, right? Suppose the volume is V1, okay? So initial pressure is P1, which is equal to P0, and initial volume is V1. And suppose it is compressed to volume V2, which is equal to V1 by 8, right? So at the volume V2, that is V1 by 8, let the pressure be P2, okay? And we are asked to calculate this pressure, the pressure exerted by the compressed gas, that is P2, we have to find the value of P2. Now I hope all of you remember this formula, right? P1 V1 equal P2 V2, right? What was our formula? P1 V1 by T1 equal P2 V2 by T2, right? The combined formula. It was our formula for calculating pressure or volume or temperature, right? So here temperature is not needed since no change of temperature is introduced. So we need to calculate P2, right? So P2 is equal to P1 V1 by V2, that is equal to P0 times V1 by 8, right? That means 8 P0, right? 8 P0. That means our correct answer is option C, 8 P0. Our correct answer is option C, 8 P0. Right, Pooja and Shagoto, your answers are correct. It is option C, 8 P0. So in this video we solved some problems which came in JNU CEEB 2017 paper, and in the previous video we solved JNU CEEB 2000 questions from JNU CEEB 2018 paper. If you have not attended the previous class, then please go to the I button for the link of the previous class. Okay, so for today this is our last problem, and we are left with a lot of problems which I'll discuss in the next video. So up to that, it's all, and if you like today's class, please click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Ta-da!